My name is Hannah Richardson. I'm an apprentice engineer with Aer Lingus and I joined in 2017.
My name is Ethan Keane and I'm an apprentice aircraft engineer and I joined the Aer Lingus Apprenticeship programme in September 2017.
What attracted me to an apprenticeship in Aer Lingus was growing up, I always had an interest in engines and how things work. The most interesting thing I find about being an apprentice engineer is working on live aircraft. It's really cool seeing an airplane you just work on take off.
From a very young age I was always very technical minded and I also really enjoyed aviation as well. So I felt that the apprenticeship programme in Aer Lingus was exactly what I wanted to do because it helped me develop my mechanical mind and also really sparked my aviation interest as well.
This apprenticeship has given me the chance to work hands-on with modern aircraft every day.
One day I could be working on the engine or I could be working on the main landing gear, changing a wheel or a brake unit. The next day I could be working in the cockpit in the avionics bay, and no 2 days are the same here, and if you enjoy doing it you'll never work a day in your life. What I find most exciting about working at Aer Lingus is the team aspect of it. It is a massive company but it is a small community as well.
I found the recruitment process really convenient as everything was online. I found that you could take your time with each assessment.
If I had any advice for anyone thinking of applying, I would say don't feel like you're under pressure with the application process. The application process is not there to challenge you, it's there to show your best qualities and to show Aer Lingus why you are perfect for this programme.